This is David Talbot, and I'm the CTO at WorkMover. And if you're going to run WorkMover in your own Caspio account with just 2 or 3 channels, you won't need to worry about the elements extension tables. If, however, you're running a large number of channels, then we need to consider the elements extension tables. Here's the reason. The elements table itself has, perhaps 100 fields, something like that, all very standard with subscriptions, name and address, phone numbers, all those sorts of things, okay? But every channel we found usually uses about 75 or more extra custom fields. So you can see that with a Caspio limitation on the number of fields in a table of around just over 1,000, that pretty quickly we'd run out of fields if we had, 15 or 20 channels in the system. So what we have the elements extension table. And so here's an example here. So here, the elements is the primary elements table. This element 000 is what we use as a template for creating the elements table. The purple are the elements extension tables, and this one here is the elements log file, okay? So, and that's from the elements table. Optionally, we can log every change in an elements record, okay, with a triggered action. So what we have here, these are elements extensions. So on, for instance, this one here, which is an internal demonstration one, we call it global health example, the fields there are in addition to the standard fields here. Same here with this WorkMover portal here. The fields here are in addition. So let's have a look at the WorkMover portal fields. So this is, first of all, our clients. So, the client main contact, the client time zone, corporate URL, how we source, billing method, rate per hour. You can see that these are not standard fields. These are particular to the WorkMover portal channel, and so they go into the elements extension table. And from a user point of view, we manipulate these using a view over the elements and the associated elements extension table. And so in the data pages, it looks relatively simple. So thank you very much.